Hey, how is it going with your math problems?
It's just that a problem.
What's wrong? Too hard?
My teacher told me to convert fractions into decimals. But first, I have to identify the fractions in the model she gave me. The first model looks like this. The second model looks like this. And here is the third model. I don't understand what these shadings are and how I can get fractions from them, and then convert it to decimals. This is too hard. I give up. Let's go out and play basketball.
Hold it! You have to finish first your work before doing anything, or else you might regret not doing it in the first place.
Okay.
I'll help you if you want.
Would you?
No problem.
What do you mean no problem? I have 3 problems.
Forget it. Let's look at your first problem.
Here it is.
Okay, if you want to find the fraction of this illustration, you first have to count the total number of squares in the whole row.
Okay, there are 10 of them.
Okay, then count how many squares are shaded.
Hold it. There are 7.
So in the 10 squares, 7 are shaded. So the ratio of the shaded squares to the total number of squares
Is 7/10.
The denominator in this fraction is in the power of 10. Since 10 has only one zero, we simply move the decimal point of the numerator, which is 7, one step to the left. So we get, there is your decimal equivalent. If you're not sure, you can divide the numerator with the denominator, and you should get the same answer. These two methods can give us the same answer, so it must be correct.
I first count the parts in the circle. There are 10. I then count the shaded area. There are 4. So, the answer is 4/10, right?
Right. What is that in decimal form?
The denominator is in the power of 10 like you said. And since 10 has only one zero, I just need to move the decimal point one place to the left of 4. The answer is on the third model. Okay, there are a lot of squares here. Okay, there are 100 squares with only 25 squares shaded.
So what is your answer?
Isn't it 25 hundreds?
Good. And what is its decimal equivalent?
I know 100 is in the power of 10. There are 2 zeros in 100, so I move the decimal point 2 places to the left of 25. It now becomes... Wait, let me check. When I divide the numerator 25 by the denominator 100, I get...
Try it again.
It's easy. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Now let's go out and play.
Yes.